Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and click on Home button. Then open the second one, but this time use the square button to access it in the background. Now it's time to decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen. When you're ready, click on the icon of it and select Split Screen. Then tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!